Only 25 minutes and I'm dead. I'm so out of shape. GoPro, stop recording. The distance is not a problem, but there is a big elevation difference between this forest and my apartment, so I'm soaking wet. So this is the forest where I'm usually going when I'm collecting stuff from the nature, like leaf litter and pieces of wood, interesting pieces of wood. And this is the place where I found the scorpions. I didn't update you on the scorpions. If you remember, at start there were 9 of them, but unfortunately majority of them died. I kept all of them the same, and 3 are still alive and looking all right. So I have no idea why the rest of them died, because they were kept exactly the same. So maybe it's just natural selection. Those were weaker ones, or I didn't really keep them the way I should be keeping them. So that's why only the most resilient one survived. I don't know. So why are we here? I'm going to see what I can find. Just random nature walk, you can say, something like that. And I'm bringing you with me. So you will see me turning around old logs and see what can we find there. Maybe some interesting creatures. And you see, these old logs are amazing for terrariums and vivariums. You just take it, clean it up. Unfortunately, I don't have a car, so I can't really bring pieces of this size. But imagine this in a frog vivarium. It'd be awesome, right? Here is an even bigger one. This is the gold mine. So yeah, if you are looking for pieces like this, just go to your local forest and you will most definitely find something interesting. Let's turn around that piece and see what we can find. Damn, I forgot to take the GoPro from the bike. Damn. With this. I'm back at the log, so let's see what we can find. Some isopods, springtails, nothing special. Here is a lot of spider web tunnel. Let's see if we can poke something out. No spider. Where is the spider? So nothing special under this log, but let's not get discouraged. But this is really nice log. Let's continue. This spider is carrying something, probably prey. Some small centipede, and it's gone. Mature male. It looks like it's the same species that I showed you in last feeding video. Click in the right corner if you haven't seen that feeding video. So I will take this guy and we will see if we can have a nice pairing video. There we go, got him in the container. Centipede, like the one that I have. Oh, it fell. A lot of spider web here, but I can't see any spider. Let me try to show you this little guy. Oh, nope. This is relatively large millipede, at least for Croatian standard. Perhaps I should take it. Yeah, I'll do that. They are cool. Some leaf so we can hold on to something while in transit. And they sure look interesting. If someone knows how are they called, write it in the comments. A lot of spider web, but no spiders. What is this? Spider? Is that the same as the one that I have at home. I'm not certain, but it seems like it. The color is a bit lighter. Hard to tell. Place it back where it was and let's continue. It is also interesting that I cannot find a single scorpion. Oh, ants. Put that back. So as I was saying, it is interesting that I cannot find a single scorpion. And the last time I was here, I found 3 of them while I wasn't even searching for them. And there are so many millipedes. Another big one. But no scorpions. That is a bit sad, because I was hoping to find a bunch of them. Big spider. Big spider. It ran away. That is the downside of having a camera in your hand, because you cannot react fast. You can hold a catch cup and the camera and also move the logs. This signs means that we are on a hiking track, although they are usually red circle with white dot. There is the other one. I'm also sometimes going on hiking tracks, climbing on the small, there aren't mountains, there are hills, small hills like 1000 meters height. So let me know if you want me to record and include that in my videos, in my future videos. Oh, and here is the one that I was talking about, the circle one. So yeah, tell me in the comments if you want to see videos like that, and just generally tell me if you are enjoying this type of videos, because this is really something that I would want to add to this channel. I do not want only to be a tarantula focused in-home channel. I also want to be able to go to expedition on some interesting place and actually find a tarantula in the wild and make a video about it. That would be an ultimate goal of this channel. Imagine to find a colony of Potsauterias on Sri Lanka or something like that. That would be awesome, right? Can we move this? Maybe, but I need both hands. Again, big spider, and I lost it. These are the larvae of one type of insect. Also some type of larva. And there is my bike. We made a big circle. I'll take you now to the spring. Maybe we can find something interesting near the water. Look who I found crossing the road. Oh, hi Petko. How are you doing? A wolf spider female carrying an egg sac. That's cool. Chilling on the road. And this guy, this green little fella. On Croatian they are called smrdljivi martin, and smrdljivi means stinking. Their defensive mechanism is some stinking smell, so you don't want to mess with this guy. It says izvor, it means spring, and there is an arrow over there, so that's where we're heading. Let's see what we can find here. Let's see what's under this. Oh my god. Whoa. That would be awesome hide for Terraphosa styrmi. Whoa. It would be so cool. Although the enclosure would weigh like a ton. If you want to make a natural hide, jeez, Papa cheese. Because look, there's a hole down there that goes outside, so that way that would be entrance and hide would be here, and you could put this on the side of the enclosure so you could see in the hide. I should remember this for one day, because this is amazing. Over dramatic? I think not. I'm getting pretty far from my bike and I didn't find anything interesting, but I'm really enjoying myself here. Although I should probably head back. Whoa. Another smart thing to do when you are when you're holding a camera. And the battery is almost empty. Yeah, let's go back. Going uphill is not as fun as going downhill. I want electric bike. And that's it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed recording it. If you did, thumbs it up and comment something. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe. I upload every Monday and Friday, so see you again soon. Bye bye bye.